Hi, hello there, welcome to my channel. Can you believe, or would you believe me if I told you I have not shampooed my hair in 4 years? I'm not playing. I haven't shampooed my hair in 4 years, and I'm going to try to get closer to the camera. As you can see, there's nothing going on with the scalp. Let me turn around a bit. Does this look like buildup lives here? Does it? I'll answer that question for you. The answer is no. I haven't shampooed my hair in 4 years, but I've washed my hair. Not with shampoo though, because I had terrible experiences with it. I switched to black soap 4 years ago and I haven't gone back. I used to shampoo my hair and I'd noticed that it was horribly stripped afterwards, even though I pre-pooed at the time. But it was so, the sulfates were so harsh and I would end up losing more hair even though my hair was clean and my scalp was clean. It was coming at a very expensive cost. And I did a bit of research and of course I found that my ancestors have found the solution a long time ago. This is black soap. This is not, you can see that's black soap. I'm not advocating for this specific brand, but this is the brand that I've been using for the past 4 years. There's a specific store that I get it from because I haven't found it in any other store. And this is the particular black soap that has worked for me. I would definitely advise that if you want to venture into this experiment or go for this option of using black soap instead of shampoo, please test it out on your skin. That was the trick that I used with this one. I tried it out on my skin first and then I saw that it didn't strip my skin. I didn't feel like my skin was dry after the fact. Then I experimented with it on my hair and since then I have not gone back. I have a brother who is also a natural. Hello. He's got great hair. He used to suffer from a scalp condition, but since I introduced him to this soap, he hasn't gone back. We don't shampoo in this household. We only use black soap. So let me know if you're willing to give it a try and let me know what your experience is. And just so that we're clear, you know, I told you I sampled this on my skin first. This is also what I use on my skin. So it's been serving me from my hair to my toe. And I would recommend it to anyone who wanted to give black soap a try, because this particular one, even though I'm not saying it's exclusive to this brand, look for a black soap that has moisturizing properties, because a lot of people stay away from black soap because they experience that dryness. Go for what works for you and tell me, have you ever tried black soap? Have you gone back to your African roots when it comes to this natural hair journey? And if you haven't, would you consider giving black soap a try? Let me know in the comment section. And in the next video, I'm going to be telling you about another underestimated hair hack and ingredient, which happens to also be an ingredient in black soap. I'm talking about banana peels or plantain peels. If you're throwing them away, you better save them until I upload my next video, because you might be throwing away some gold that will do your hair a lot of good. Thanks for tuning in. Tell me in the comments if you'll be trying black soap, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.